Hi guys, welcome to the third lecture of Module 5. In this module, we'll be talking about how to modify the dimension of door and window. So first, we go to door here, then first we load a file to a file. Go to door, residential door. So I'll be going with the glass door. Here you can see different dimensions here. I'll be going with this 600 into 2000 meter, 2000 mm. So that is 4. So if I want to change the dimension of the door, then we go to edit type option here. First we duplicate this and I'll change this to 1000 to 2000. Then I change the width to 1000 here. So I'll keep the height as it is. And I click on OK. Now you can see that the new dimension has been created. Click on realistic. And see, this is the modified door. You can change the type of the door also, like the material. Go here and then can change the panel material here, frame material, whichever you need. Yeah, you can see the material option here. Can change the material, whichever material you want. You can change that. So on the panel, we put type wood and get different types of like this. Okay, this is the. So I'll copy this. I want all these to be slashed. So I'll copy this. And I need not go again and change each and every property. So I'll be just copy and paste all these here. So all the elements are changed. Let's click on apply. So you can see the material has been changed. So this is how you change the dimensions of the wall as per required. So this is how you change the dimension of the door. Same way if you want to load some windows. And below it. Replacing these windows here. Now if I want to change the, I'll go to 3D view and show this first. You can see the dimensions and the positioning. So if I want to change this, I'll click on that and press F8. So all these are selected and I'll go to edit type and first I'll duplicate. I'll change this to 750. Oh, I have to duplicate first, not rename. So I will do this and again change the width to 7. Okay. Now you can see the dimension has been changed. Again, if you want to change the material type of the, then you can change the material here. You can see different types of material here. If you don't have the material which is required, then you go to asset browser here and you can find any option that all materials are available. You can get wood also here, panels, all the wood material are available. If you want, then you just need to click on that and this thing will be loaded. Yeah. First you need to duplicate any, if you want to change the material or change the material properties, then you need to duplicate here also and then edit. So that's how you change the material. The same thing if you want, then you need to copy and paste it. Okay. So this is how you change the material and dimension properties of the walls and